great day, my lovely people. So y'all, this is what I got going on. So I got me some peppers, onions, shredded carrots, peppers, onions, mushrooms, shredded cabbage, and that's it all together. I'm gonna eat on this for about 2 days, 3 days, or however long it lasts. There's no meat in here. No meat. That's all my seasonings over there. I'm washing dishes. So yeah, that's what I got going on this nice Tuesday morning. Early one Tuesday morning. Dun, dun, dun. Breakfast was on the table. Something, 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 something. Y'all see that damn line them sorry ass maintenance man did? Look. Instead of painting the whole ceiling, I had a leak. And they just took the damn paint and went. Just took a hole, went across. That's stupid. I'm working on getting my ass out of these motherfucking projects. But I'm still blessed. Don't get it twisted. I'm still blessed to have somewhere to stay though. I'm on my lip. Yeah, y'all. Put some more seasoning in it. Plant-based journey, y'all. Plant-based journey. I'm taking it real easy. Certain days I eat meat. Certain days I don't. I ain't trying to do it too fast. Okay? Alright, catch y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I'm finished making my little meal. And then I made alright, so now I'm about to make my lunch for work. I'm about to cut some oranges up. Look at it. Oranges. Oh, trying to see, can y'all see me? Alright, bring it down a little bit. This is a good ass knife. Y'all see the brand? It say time and table. I ain't never heard of that brand, but this damn knife shop is here. The knife was like $11. I got it at Walmart a couple weeks ago. And when I tell you this baby cuts, honey, she cuts. Alright, so I got my oranges for today. This is gonna be my snack. When I feel like I want to go snacking on something, I don't think this bag. Hold on, I gotta get another bag. I gotta get a little bigger bag. Get a bigger one. Let's see. Let me see, is this one bigger? But yeah, so keep for me eating all the damn sugar at work, cakes and pies and cookies, because you know I work in the kitchen, so I'm around like sweet food and unhealthy food all day long. Okay, so I got my oranges, so this is what I'm gonna have for work, and then I got a lot of little containers like this, like different little containers. And I'm gonna put my like the food is finished. Let me show y'all what it looks like. It's onions, carrots, mushrooms, peppers, and spinach. Seasoned real good. So what I'm gonna do is put some in my bag. In my container. And then the rest of it, I probably can have it for tomorrow. I've cooked this before. I got this little recipe off of somebody's page. I should have cooked some quinoa to go with it, but I don't really got time. But this is like an easy meal for people that's trying to transition to plant-based. All you do is throw it all in there together. And you got your meal. Damn, I think that's going to be enough. Alright. So yeah, I got enough for tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a container too. Did y'all see what I got? Now I could have cooked some quinoa to go with it, but I don't have time. I should have just, man, when that shit cooked down, it cooks down to nothing almost. I can't put this in the refrigerator yet because it's still hot, so I'm going to leave it out. Get my son to put it in the refrigerator because I'm about to be off to work. Wash my dishes out. Who else hate washing dishes? Oh, when I say I hate washing dishes, I hate washing. I know they gotta be washed, but I don't fucking like it. I hate it. My sister, the one that just passed a couple years ago now, she didn't mind washing dishes. When we was kids, she would always wash the dishes up. Mama tell me to wash them, and I'd be like, Sierra wash them. She like washing dishes. She did not mind washing dishes. So today, y'all, I'm just trying to give somebody some motivation to start your journey. The reason why I started working out, walking, and trying to eat healthy because I have kidney disease. Also, I suffer really high blood pressure off and on. And I'm just trying to get healthy. That's all. And I'm going through menopause, perimenopause. So I got a lot of shit going on with my body. And it's driving menopause is a bitch. I wish this bitch. I'm sick of her. Alright, that's the pan pot. Alright, that's that. Top thing is dirty. Had a couple stains on it. Okay, here I go. Here I go. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna let y'all go now. So I appreciate y'all coming along with me. I'm gonna call this video, man, why I look so bright? Right in the sun. I'm gonna call this video, what can I call this video? Get ready with me to go to work. That's a nice title, right? Get ready with me to go to work. Right here, I'm drinking. Y'all see my nails? I love this pink. It's like a fuchsia pink. I got them done Sunday. What else? So yeah, y'all, for all the ladies out there that's going through menopause, premenopause, perimenopause, high blood pressure, kidney problems, all these dis-ease is what they call them now. Y'all, we got to do better. All this food and shit that we've been eating, it's bad. I had got in the habit now, y'all, of reading my food labels. Because one time, I would just pick up shit. I ain't never look at no food labels to see how much sodium was in it or how much fat or protein or whatever. Let me show y'all something. I'm about to box this shit right up and take it to the food bank. Oh, it's a damn fly here. Let me cover my damn thing up. But like all this shit up here in my cabinet that's bad. Like this fucking, when my daughter-in-law was here with me and my son, they stayed with me for a couple of weeks. They bought most of this shit. Like this enriched flour, long grain white rice. Now look at the ingredients. What the fuck are those words? I can't even pronounce them. Rice is enriched with Niasium. I don't know what that word is. I don't know what that word is. I don't know what that word is. But it's like this shit right here. Oh, the macaroni and cheese. You see all this shit? Ingredients. Do you see all that shit? Half of it I can't even pronounce. Like y'all start reading your labels like we need food to have one or two ingredients. Maybe three. That you know what it is. Like, who the fuck is eating this shit? Like this one, guys. It's just so much shit. Okay, so like the quinoa. Okay, this is healthy. This quinoa. And I just learned how to make quinoa, y'all. Because I used to make this shit. It used to be all sticky and... Okay, you see the difference? Ingredients. Organic quinoa. It's nothing else added. Quinoa. Like this, I'm about to go, y'all. I ain't trying to talk y'all though. But I'm just trying to get y'all. Let's see the... Okay, so this is something that a lot of healthy people use. This is called agave. I got this from this particular brand. I got it from Aldi. I like to shop at Aldi too. Okay, you see the ingredients. Agave nectar. This is the only thing is in here. It's just like a sweetener. It's a sweetener. Natural sweetener. Blue agave. It's something like honey or people use it for different things. I'll show y'all one more thing, then I'm about to go. Like, let me see what else up here. Hold on, I got some it's fucking flying. What? You still here? I'm on video. So okay, so look at this. Like this is date syrup. Now I get these out of Ross for like $3. I think like, yeah, $3. Now this is something like honey too, syrup, molasses. You know the stuff we use. Okay, wait a minute. This is small. Where the ingredients at? The ingredients right here. Dates. This is all in here is dates. No other bullshit you can't pronounce. So I had took like a class. It was like a free class I took, and I took it through like the health department. And they was explaining to us, you know, how to read your labels, and so that's where I picked that up from. And also I've been researching online, looking at different videos. This is another thing that is good. You talk maple syrup. Pure maple syrup. Now let's see the ingredients on this. Nothing but 100% pure maple syrup. Nothing else. Not all that shit you can't pronounce. I gotta get some more of this. But yeah, y'all. Start reading our labels. Start reading your labels. But yeah, now my next, when I get time, I'm about to box all this shit, all this bad shit, rice and all this shit. And now I like beans. Beans are good for us. Let's see what this got in it. These are the Goa. I can read that, but anyway. But alright, y'all. I'm just trying to help you out, sis. Get on your journey. We gotta get healthy. Right now, my weight, I'm at like 172, I think. I came from like 210 to 172 or 173. Like last year, I was 200 pounds. I was 210, 212, something like that. But I've been working and working, but it's really hard to lose weight when you're going through perimenopause. Like, and also I have I forgot to tell you, I have low thyroid. I have low thyroid. So my hormones be all over the damn place. I ordered me some sea moss. I ordered me some moringa. All these things are good. Y'all can look them up, but I'm gonna make a video about them when I get them. All right, y'all. I love y'all. If you're not subscribed to my channel. I'm still clean. I'm 6 years clean. If anybody didn't know, I'm 6 years. I've been in recovery for 6 years from an opiate addiction. Opiates are pain pills. Yeah. So I'm doing good on that too. All right. Bye.